Team attack! Hello everyone and welcome to part 9 of the Astral Radiance Booster Box pull session. The last two haven't been all that amazing, so I'm really hoping that after two reasonably poor efforts, third time lucky in video 9. Without further ado, let's just get cracking. We've got that water, that sweet honey, granny dust, pedo swine, magnemite, Ralts, Sneasel, Misdreavus, Barboach. Whoa, yes, Valerian Obstagoon. Oh, fantastic. That looks absolutely mega. Oh yes, we finally got a hit. Oh, brilliant. And what's after? A Thievel. Okay, we've got something. We've got something. Fantastic. There we go. Now, on to pack 2. Okay. Dark Patch. Bisharp. Trekking Shoes. Yanma. Hoot Hoot. Cricket Up. Sudowoodo. Combini. And a reverse hollow Barboach.
Reggie. A toast!
Reggie. Another Reggie. Alright. Final pack this episode. We have a Leaf, Dartrix, Drifblim, Ursaring, Sudowoodo, Combi, Drifloon, Psyduck, Togepi, a Radiant Greninja. Wow, brilliant. That looks nice. And a Hisuian Bravery. Lovely artwork with the temple in the background. Well, there we go, guys. Much better video today. Much better pulls. I really like these, and I've said it before and I'll say it again. I think these trainer gallery cards, these alternate arts, are amazing. Fantastic. Thank you very much for watching. Again, please, if you could be so kind, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below which of these all were your favourite cards, and if there's any particular cards you're chasing in the Astral Radiance set. If you're giving this set a miss, are you trying to catch all the set, collect all the set, and if you're looking forward to any sets in the future. Thank you. Goodbye.